Hey everyone, we're gonna be making the Peach Cooler. The Peach Cooler is a bourbon-based cocktail that lends to the sweeter side of things with a bunch of different fruit juices and peach schnapps. First thing we're gonna do is make sure that our glassware is clean and free of any chips or cracks. Then I'm gonna add ice to my shaker. And to that shaker, I'm gonna add an ounce each of lime, lemon, and orange juice, and an ounce of simple syrup. Then I'm gonna add in an ounce of bourbon and 3/4 ounces of peach schnapps. Then give this a nice shake. I'm gonna fill my tulip glass with ice. And then I'm gonna strain the contents of my shaker over the ice. I'm gonna top with Sprite. And then to garnish, I'm gonna take a maraschino cherry, put that through an orange wheel, add a lime wedge to the side, turbo straw, and it's ready to serve.